Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to share your fan catalog on WhatsApp with customers. So let us take an example that you are an electronic shop owner and you are running a website online for the promotion of your business. You have already created an inquiry section in your website where you have added an inquiry form for the customers. Now, you want that whenever a customer fills that inquiry form, from any source like website, social networking sites or personally, automatically fan catalog should be sent. The fan catalog PDF is shared to them on their WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details from the Elementor forms, then compose a message in WhatsApp and send the fan catalog to the customers. So this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes quite difficult when you have large number of inquiries and customers. The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever an inquiry is received in Elementor forms, automatically a WhatsApp message along with the fan catalog is sent to the customers on their WhatsApp number. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Elementor form and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Elementor form with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Here we are using Elementor form to receive the responses, to receive the inquiries from the customers. So in place of Elementor form, you can use any other form builder application like Jot Forms, Pabbly Form Builders, Google Forms. Any software application can be used over here. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the form which I share with my customers whenever they inquire about the fans. So I want that whenever this particular form is filled, automatically the catalog which is saved into my Google Drive, this catalog should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. Okay. So let us fill this form first. I'll just give the name as Adam Smith. I'll just give the email address as adamsmith20@gmail.com. I'll give the mobile number over here. And let's give the message, please share fan catalog. Okay, and now let's click on send brochure on my WhatsApp. Now here we can see the form was sent successfully. Okay, so now let's check the WhatsApp. I'll just go to WhatsApp and here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in Malvern Electronics. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our electronics store. A link is there. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Manual Electronics. Okay. So here, you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here and automatically the catalog which is saved into my Google Drive, it is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps. And anyone can do this very easily. And let me show you the steps now. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. Using that webhook URL, we have to create an integration between Elementor form and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Elementor form in Pabbly Connect. So here at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Elementor form. Step 3, send the same data to 360 Dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Elementor forms, the same data will be sent to the 360 Dialog and a WhatsApp message will be sent on the customer's mobile number. Okay, so in this way we are going to create an integration between Elementor form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. In the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to click on plus sign and click on create workflow. Now let us give the workflow name here as send fan catalog to customer on WhatsApp. So here I have given the workflow name as send fan catalog to customer on WhatsApp. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on create. Now here you can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer inquires about the fan, automatically a WhatsApp message along with the fan catalog should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in the trigger application, we are going to select Elementor forms just because we have created the Elementor form for accepting the responses. In the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Now here it has offered us a webhook URL and some instructions are also given. Let us read the instructions. Go to a website and inside Elementor, edit the form you want to get it integrated. Under actions after submit, add webhook. Open the webhook toggle and enter the webhook URL you have copied above. Okay, so let us copy this webhook URL first. I'll just take you to my dashboard of WordPress account. Here we have to come to this pages as I have already created the pages. And I'll just open the page which I have already created for this particular workflow. Here I'll just type for my page, that is Manual Electronics. Okay, and this is Manual Electronics website. Here I'll just click on edit with Elementor. So this is the Manual Electronics page which I have created. And I'll just scroll down and here I have used the Elementor form to receive the responses. Okay. Now here let us scroll down. Here we have to come actions after submit. We have to click on this option. Here we can see a small plus sign. We have to click on this plus sign and we have to add a webhook over here. Okay. As soon as we add the webhook, we can see a webhook option is activated over here. We have to again click on this webhook and we have to simply paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. I have just pasted the webhook URL and now let's click on update. Okay, the page is updated. Now I'll just come to this 3 lines. I'll click on this and I'll exit to dashboard. Now let us move to Pabbly Connect and here we can see waiting for webhook response. Why this option is blinking? Just because we don't have any response in the webhooks. So we just have to make an entry. We have to fill up a form. I'll just take you to the Elementor form. So this is the page. I'll just scroll down and let us fill this form to get the fan brochure. So I'll just give the name as Shikha Arya. I'll just give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let us give the mobile number and I'll just type a message. Please share the fan catalog. Okay. And now let's click on send brochure on my WhatsApp. And here the form was sent successfully. Message is displayed. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received. Name, Shikha Arya, her email address, mobile number, message, please share the fan catalog. So all the details related to the form are captured over here. Now we want to send a WhatsApp message to this particular customer, Shikha, on this particular WhatsApp number. Okay. So in the next action application, we have to select 360 dialog. Here in the action event, we have to select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now here it is API key and domain is required. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So I'll take you to my 360 Dialog account. I'll just log into this account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price. Okay. Now here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts option, and in the right corner we can see generate API key. You have to click on generate API key and you have to generate an API key from here. Okay. Once the API key is generated, we can use the same API key for different workflows. We don't need to generate API key again and again. Okay. In my case also, I have already generated the API key, so I will be using the same API key. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and here I'll be just pasting the API key. Now the domain, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given, HTTPS. So I'll just copy this example and I'll paste it over here. And make sure you don't have any spaces. Okay. So now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Okay. As I already have a connection, I will not be creating a new connection here. Once the API key and domain is submitted over here, just click on save. And I'll be choosing my existing connection. And now 360 Dialog account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Here we have to give a template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. As we cannot send the messages directly on the WhatsApp, first we need to create a template. We have to get it approved and then only the message which is there in the template can be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So that is why we have to select a specific template over here. For that, I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account once again. And here you can see manage templates option. Just click on this. Here you can see I have created various templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, you can come to this plus sign and click on add template. Okay. I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved. The send underscore brochure underscore final. I'll be using this particular template. So here I have given the template as hello. The first parameter would be the name. Here the name of the customer is going to reflect. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here the value of the second parameter should be the shop name or the products and services which we offer. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our electronic shop, we can say. Here we have to mention the link. For more details, you can visit our website. Please mention the website address over here. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you and regards. Here again the shop name or the electronic store name is going to reflect. So we are going to select this template send underscore brochure underscore final in Pabbly Connect. So let us select this template over here. Now here we can see the namespace and language code is automatically captured. So we'll not be going to change anything over here. Here we have to give recipient mobile number. So mobile number was this one which we have got from Elementor Forms. We have to map this mobile number. I'll just select the mobile number from Elementor and this one. I'll map it. Now here we can see instruction enter the recipient mobile number with country code. So here +91 is already mentioned, so I'm not going to change anything. If there is no country code mentioned, please add +91 please add the country code before the mobile number. Okay, as we are in India, we are using +91. Please enter your country code in front of the number if the country code is not mentioned. Okay, now body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. So here in body field 1 in our template also we require the name I'll just select the name from here, and the body field 2 is example Pabbly Connect. Let's go to template. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here the name of our electronic store is going to reflect, that is Manual Electronics. I'll just go to Pabbly Connect, and here I'll just type Manual Electronics. Okay. Body field 3, example software is given here in body field 3. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with the message where you can find all the services which we offer in our. So here we can write electronic store. So I'll just come over here, and here I'll just type electronic store. Okay. Now body field 4, example is given, that is the link. So I'll just go to template, and here also we can see link is there, fourth parameter. So the value will be, I'll just take you to my Google Drive where I have stored this particular catalog, Manual Electronics catalog. I'll just click, make a right click over here. I'll click on share option. Here we can find get link and copy link option. So I'll just click on copy link. Link is copied. I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5, here we have to give the website. Yes, we have to give the website here. So I'll just type the website over here, www.manualelectronicsbhopal.com. Okay. And body field 6, example Pabbly, that is the name of the store. And here we have to give the name of the store, that is Manual Electronics again. I'll just copy it from here, and I'll just paste it again over here. You can type also, and let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. Now let us check WhatsApp whether the customer has received a message there or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. So here we can see a new message. I'll just open it. Hello Shikha Arya. Thank you for showing your interest in Manual Electronics. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our electronic store. Link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website name is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Manual Electronics. So here we can see that the correct message is sent on the customer's mobile number. So here we can see the first parameter as the name. Second parameter we have given was the store name. Third parameter we have given electronic store over here. Then the link we have mentioned as fourth parameter. Fifth we have given the website, and the last parameter we have given was Manual Electronics. That was the name of the store. Now let us check this link also. I'll just open this link, and let us check whether the link is correct or not. The name is correct, Manual Electronics catalog. I'll just open it, and yes, here we can see a fan catalog is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay, I'll just go back to WhatsApp. The message is correct. Now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect, and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now we have to check this in the real time. For this, let us again go to our Elementor form and create one more entry over there, one more inquiry form. Okay, so I'll just scroll down. Let's come to the form section, and here I'll just give the name as Sanjay Sharma. Let's give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 23@gmail.com. Let's give the mobile number and just give the same mobile number so that we can check whether the message is going on the WhatsApp number of the customer or not. And let's give the message as please share fan brochure. Okay, and now let's click on send brochure on my WhatsApp. The form was sent successfully. Okay, and now let's go to WhatsApp, and here we can see hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in Manual Electronics. One of our team members will contact you shortly. The same message is sent to Sanjay Sharma also. Let us check the link once again. And here, yes, the correct link is also shared. I can see a fan catalog over here. So I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see that we have created a successful integration. So I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever an inquiry form is submitted, say from a website or from the social networking sites or personally, whenever the form is submitted, automatically a WhatsApp message along with a fan catalog should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Elementor Form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of this Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe.